Hello Wise Option people. Today we are going to explore how to use short keys in Wise Option. We're going to explore important function keys you have on your keyboard so you can be faster. Every time you have to use the mouse, that's slowing you down. So let's try to learn using short keys like the tab, the alt. We are going also to explore the space bar, the enter key, and function keys here on top are very helpful as well. Escape, it's another important key to make you fast in Wise Option. Y, every time you have to say yes, and every time you have to say no, and enter every time you have to say OK in Wise Option. Let's play a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. The most important one is going to be for you to learn Alt plus a combination with a second letter. So you hold the Alt key, S or A, depending what you see in Wise Option. Let's show what I'm talking about. Function keys, if you hover the mouse, you're going to see, for example, horse, it's F2. Customer, it's F3. Procedures is F4. Procedure manager, F5, so forth. So you just hover the mouse, you're going to see what is the short key on your keyboard to easy access. So I'm going to put my mouse here on the corner and demonstrate what I'm talking about. So I'm going to hit F2, which brings the horse. Mouse is on the corner. If I show you here, do you see on the underscore A? That's the key that will work with the alternate key on your keyboard. So I'm going to hold Alt on my keyboard plus the letter A, and that's just like as if I was hitting that button. So I'm going to say here, she's awesome. And then I'm going to use the tab that jumps to the next field. By the way, Wise Option is going to have a bunch of things doing with the combination done with the tab key. I go to the next by using the tab. I just start typing the letters, and tab again, tab again. Here, same deal. I just start typing the letters, and once you find the first one in your list, you just go arrows down, and you can get the one that you want. Or if you already know, just type it. Keep doing, and all right, so arrows down was my option here. And again, I'm not gonna use the mouse. I'm just gonna use the Alt plus the letter S, Alt S, and from this point on it's yes or no. So markings no, procedures reminder no, boarding no, book no, form letter no, mail records no, scheduling I'm going to say yes for this one, so I'm going on my keyboard to say Y, which is yes. Again, Alt plus, let's put for 2 days. I want to see this mail in 2 days. It's Alt plus the number 2. And the reschedule button is already set. I hit enter because that's the default button for this form. Enter my comments. For OK, I can use the enter button again. When you have a message box with OK, it can be either the enter button or the space bar. I'm going to use the space bar in this case. Space bar. Would you like multiple ownership? No. And once I'm done, I'm going to use the escape to close the form. Escape's pretty handy when you have nested many forms. For example, if I go here, if I go in the boarding and I click new record, and if I want to easily get back to the main screen, just use the escape button. So escape, 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 and you're very fast and quick back to the main screen in Wise Option. So today we learned how to use short keys in Wise Option and have you faster with the program. Have a good day.